TensorRT is a method that almost losslessly increases our generation speed by 25%. So let's take a closer look at how it works. The main reliance is on this section, which supports the models in question. For example, I've selected SVD here, and then we need to process this model. What does static mean? It means that after processing, our model can only use a resolution of 704 multiplied by 1216 with a batch size of 1. Then you can also choose to use 4 or 5. So if I use a resolution of 1024 by 1024 for this process static model, would that be a problem? It will show an error message, which is equivalent to making a preset. Below is the frame rate. If it's image generation from text, set this to 0. If it's this SVD, then it's 14 or 25. On the right side, there is also a dynamic area. The width or height of this dynamic area can be adjusted within a floating range. What is the minimum value? What's the maximum? What is the common preference? Why wasn't this dynamic one used? Because the performance improvement isn't very noticeable after using it. That's the first point. Another point is that I think the TensorRT technology is quite suitable for automated processes. It allows me to generate hundreds or even thousands of results at once without needing to make so many adjustments. As long as there's an improvement, it's already great. Then you see this author. It can be considered almost an official implementation. Installing it feels very smooth, much simpler than installing it in YBY before. I also tested the text-to-image models. On the right side, it's image to video. Look at the K-sampler here, 9 seconds 17, 5 seconds 79. The improvement is basically maintained around a quarter. Both require separate loading, and you just need to load one model individually. If there are other things, retrieve them from the original model here. If you've carefully observed its principle, you'll understand that it can almost losslessly boost our speed by a quarter. Navigate to AI at RunningHub, or click the link in the description to register and get 1,200 coins. Logging in daily will also reward you with 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.